Hi guys. Hey, like I don't already have enough projects going on. Saw this and just it's been sitting in a stash for quite some time and just wanted to get into it, especially since it's made in the USA. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Very simple manual instructions. It's got cool decals. These are the decals for Jimmy Doolittle's Raider from the Doolittle Raiders. Very simple instructions. That's why I figured I'll jump into building it now, because it's a simple, easy little build. Kind of something to break up everything else I got going on or add to it. Be a neat little build. This is one of the Ollie's specials, so got all your basic stuff: your fuse, your wing, the wing tips, cockpit, yeah, all that stuff. Same thing again, except landing gear, legs, wing and fuse. Another wing and the underside of the nose where the glass attaches. It's got crew guys, got pilot, co-pilot, and a gunner up front. Part of a turret, which for some reason this has got a turret on the bottom and it shouldn't, so I'm gonna have to close that off. But here's your horizontal stabilizer and your two vertical stabilizers, two props, your tires. Like I said, real simple build. Got the wing, top, engine, nacelle, one of your engines, actually both your engines, another turret part, and another back to the nacelle for the engine. Then you get your clear parts. That's it. Little thing for holding in the oh, there's a clear stand. Well, it's supposed to be a clear stand. Doesn't have a stand. What the hell? Oh well, that's okay. I wasn't going to use it anyway. So, interesting. But yeah, so that's a brief unboxing. It should be a real simple build, just something to kind of mess around with for the hell of it. Like I said, I was going to do it in the 48-hour build, but I just got too much crap going on to commit to any more builds. But yet, what am I doing? I'm doing this. It's kind of funny because B-25s were built by North American, but yet it's a product of Boeing. Well, hopefully none of the doors fall off it when I get it done. So, well, we'll talk to you later, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And stay tuned for more fun stuff to come. See ya.